Hey, what's going on, Off-Road family? It's been a while. I haven't posted nothing in a while. I just wanted to kind of give a quick update on exactly kind of everything that's going on with the page, with the channel here, what we got in store and what's on the books. Sitting behind me, my 1989 Ford LX Mustang. I've got this guy Coyote swapped, so it's got a new modular 5-liter Ford Coyote engine in it. I got the Ford Racing ECU. I've got a Hydro Boost system out of a different Mustang, full long tube headers, QA1 tubular control system, Moroso pan, list goes on. It's got a 4R70 in it. Initially my plan for this car was to be a drag race car. I wanted it a quick, nice 10-second street car that I'd be able to drive to the track 3 hours away, knock off a 10-second pass, and then get it back, drive it back home. Circumstances have kind of changed with that, but I don't know what I want to do with it here now. Thinking it's just going to be a nice street car. That's kind of the plan. Let me know what you guys think. Drop a comment down below. What should I do with this car? We'll go from there. Secondly is the Hellcat, the Wildcat. I've been working on that thing. It's been coming along. It's really been coming along. I'm very, very happy with the progress that's been made. I've got a video coming on that very soon. And let's just say it's going to be epic. It's going to be, yeah, it's epic. I'm beyond happy with the progress that's been going on there. But a lot of time, a lot of thought going into it. So yeah, that's going to be dropping here soon. But the main point of this video is the Jeep. Finally got the Jeep back up and running. I am super happy. First and foremost, I wanted to give a huge thank you and shout out to Rough Country Auto in Saskatoon. Kelly, he's the man. He hooked me up. He got that thing in, and it drives like an absolute dream. We got some wheeling footage coming up here in some of the install. So if you're in the Saskatoon area, Saskatoon, Saskatchewan, Canada, give Kelly a call. Rough Country Auto. He does absolutely everything, whether it's a big motor job, transmissions, transfer cases, regular maintenance, brakes, tires, all that kind of good stuff. He's the guy that you're going to want to talk to. Over 30 years experience in the industry, and he's a one-man show. So you know when you drop the vehicle off, you're talking to Kelly. When you talk to somebody on the phone, you're talking to him, and the guy that's fixing your rig is him. There's no middleman, there's no running around. It's, well, he's the guy that worked on it's not here. That shit don't happen with him. He stands behind his work, does a fantastic job, and amazing rates. 80 bucks an hour shop rate. You can't beat that. You don't find that anywhere. So once again, huge thank you, Kelly, Rough Country Auto. You're the man. And guys, let's get to the action. I'll grab the new one and stab it in. The cheaply rebuilt old T-case. The man, the myth, and the legend, and Clifford. Alrighty, so day two, we're getting the transmission stabbed in.
and we ran into a bit of an issue because mainly I'm a fucking retard. What happened is the stub shaft on my brand new rebuilt transmission here, you can see it's splined all the way, and when we were trying to mount up the transfer case, it wouldn't seat because of the fact when you look inside there's a collar. That spline won't fit into that collar. Now, Kelly told me, the fine gentleman right here that is doing all this work for me, he told me, well, your only best bet is to take your other transfer case, get it put on, and that's your only solution. I said, well, this is a piece of shit and we're gonna fucking beat it anyway, so why don't we just take a die grinder and grind out the inside of the second transfer case. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna clean out inside of there, hone it to a precision spec with a specialty die grinder from Princess Auto, and yeah, hopefully we'll get this fucking pig up and running here today, because I don't want to drive back to Meadow Lake from Saskatoon with a machine that's not done, because I want to take the kids wheeling, because, well, I'm sick of sitting in the house. So let's get to it. There we go. Precision.
Swearing like a bastard. Ah, for fuck's sake!
And then there she is. Piston broke, machining and fab. We got you.
All thumbs up, boys.
Getting there?
Well, we had a good day yesterday. Got the rig all put together, everything's done. She's loaded up on the trailer. I'm just headed on the 3.5 hour drive home. Gonna get back to the old homestead, load up the family, go for the maiden wheel, and well, hopefully everything works out well. Pretty happy with how everything's turned out. We've got the machine back together, so yeah, let's do some wheeling. Well, there we go. It was a fucking perfect day wheeling. Got the family out, got the missus, the kiddos, the doggos. I got to give big thanks to Rough Country Auto for hooking me up, getting the transmission installed. Everything's worked seamlessly. As you've seen, we hit some absolutely beauty spots, and well, here's to the next one.